Bit of an unboxing video I thought I'd just share. This is something I've been after since I was a child, and I used to have one. I had the Dinky Toys version and I can't get into it. Yeah, I had the Dinky Toys version, which I used to throw around the school playground with a plum, totally unaware that years later they would be worth, well, not an enormous amount of money, but if I could have bought a pallet of 100, I would have done. Rolf Harris, can you guess what it is? Yeah, and it isn't. Oh, all right, here's a few clues. It's a space vehicle from the 1970s. Gerry Anderson. No, it isn't a Thunderbird. And no, it isn't a UFO interceptor. And no, it's not coming out of the box. Actually, for what it's worth, this one is coming out of the box. OMG. Oh, that's just class. Oh, that's magnificent. The detail on that is phenomenal. The only thing I'm going to assume it's obviously to give it a sort of weathered look. It isn't. I expected it to be a lot whiter. It's more a very, I don't know. I presume that it's supposed to look like moon dust regolith. I just had visions of it being sort of super bright white. But nevertheless, the detail is absolutely outstanding. It's a big bugger as well. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That'll look nice on my display stands. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. Waited a long time for a good model of one of these. I tried building one, and unfortunately my model building days ended when I was about 9. So there we go, a decent one. Yay! Okay, the first thing is I will apologise about the mess. I am living in, not literally, actually a building site, as I'm having some work done. Right. It doesn't come out of the box particularly easily. It's like double skinned. Bear with me. There she blows. Oh, wow. I daren't touch it, but the detail is absolutely incredible. It's heavy. Oh, wow. Oh, folks, these are just spectacular. It wasn't cheap, I must be honest. I paid 150 quid for this, brand new. And they do the medical eagle, which has got the red stripes, but no, I prefer the Transporter. The original one I had as a dinghy, it had the little nuclear, it had a winch on it and you could lower these little yellow nuclear pods down. They also do a laboratory Eagle, which has got two sort of bits that protrude from here. Again, this is my preferred choice of Eagle Transporter. But there we go. An absolute thing of beauty. Really is. I'm dead chuffed with that. I had a little bit of buyer's remorse, but now it's here and it's in my hand. That is absolutely spectacular. Yeah.